Welcome to image or photo background color in Adobe Photoshop. So in this tutorial, I'm going to pass you through how to change the photo or an image background in Adobe Photoshop. So for this case, we are going to first load our file. I'm going to come to file, then I say open, then I go and navigate to where I have it. I have it here. I'm going to select this one, then I say open. So it's automatically going to open on Adobe Photoshop. So now at this point, I'm going to press Ctrl J to copy this layer. Yes, now we have the copy of the layer. So why I'm doing this is definitely to allow us to see the before and after. So now this background is of that color, so I'm going to press Control. I'm going to click on the hand tool to fit it on the screen like that. We can see that beautiful lady. So now here I'm going to select first of all this image. I'm going to come to the quick selection tool, then I click select subject. After clicking select subject, Adobe Photoshop has the ability to select the subject automatically. So our subject is selected. If you want to check whether it is selected or not, you can press Q on your keyboard to see which part is not selected. You again press Q to remove that. So after that, I'm going to come to here to the layer. I'm going to create a layer mask here. I click on it, then I choose solid color. I want to fill it with the solid color. So now our image is filled with solid color black, but for this case, I want that color. I want to change it to blue. So I'm going to select blue. I'm going to choose blue like this. I think that can be okay. Then let's choose that. Then I say okay. Now our image is filled up with the fill color of blue, but this is not what we want. So we are going to invert this image. So we shall come to select this fill layer mask here. After selecting this fill, then we can press Ctrl I on the keyboard to invert this. Or you can come to layer, you can come to image, then adjustments, then come to invert. So when you click invert, you see our background has already changed. Now I want us to work on that background color. You see the background color is not matching with the original background that we had before. So this is the one before, this is after. This is before, this is after. So we are going to come to this blending mode. We are going to change this blending mode to multiply. Here I'm going to select multiply. Now you see our background color is matching now the original background that was there before. So now you find that our image background color has changed. This is definitely how you can simply change the background color of your photo or an image in Adobe Photoshop 2019. You can also use this to in other versions of Adobe Photoshop. So for this, I want to say thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. I sign out. Peace be with you.